Laptops these days are getting insane. We just got the new 2019 17-inch HP Omen. So let's have a look at what's in the box. First, we get the laptop itself, covered in a nice sheet of protective plastic. Sitting under that, we have the included New Zealand power plug, as well as this beast of a power adapter. Then we also have a short quick start guide and warranty information. But back to that power adapter. Yeah, it's big, but at least it looks pretty cool. Following the same design format from the laptop itself. It needs to be massive because it supports 330 watts, which is a crazy amount of power. Opening the display, we're greeted to a full-size keyboard with numpad, and backlit with red LEDs, no RGB. The design this year looks awesome. Similar to last year's 15-inch chassis, with the display looking like it's floating above the keyboard. A full HD 144Hz IPS panel, with tiny bezels on the side. And then this year, the back has more of a stealth look, with a dark subtle brush material and chrome logo. It looks absolutely badass. That 330 watt power brick starts to make sense when we look under the hood. A 9th generation i9 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, heaps of storage, all paired with an 8GB RTX 2080. This machine will be able to handle basically anything you throw at it, all in a form factor that weighs under 3 kgs. You can check this unit out yourself, either in-store or online at pbtech.co.nz. We're going to keep playing with this unit and put it to the test. I'm Eli from PBTech. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.